Hi guys, welcome to the Recommender Systems lecture. In this lecture, we will talk about recommender systems. We will discuss their different types and approaches to create such systems using Python. Everyone uses internet nowadays. As an internet user, you may have come across a recommender system in one way or another. A very common example, like buying something on Amazon, say we are searching a book on Amazon, and you may get a suggestion saying customers who bought this item also bought this one. The software system that actually determines which book should be shown to a particular visitor is a recommender system. Another very common example is from Netflix, which is online movie rental service. Netflix suggests a movie to its users, and if you're not familiar, the Netflix actually awarded $1 million prize to the team that first succeeded in improving substantially the performance of their recommender system. Recommender systems are important and they play a very important role in such highly rated internet sites such as Amazon, YouTube, Netflix, Yahoo, TripAdvisor, and so many others. Recommender systems have proven to be a valuable means for online users to cope with the information overload and have become one of the most powerful and popular tools in electronic commerce. Correspondingly, various techniques to generate recommendations have been proposed during the last decade. Many of them have also been successfully deployed in commercial environments. So generally the recommender systems are of six classes. The first one comes as a content based, and in these systems they learn to recommend items that are similar to the ones that the user liked in the past. Collaborative filtering is the simplest and original implementation of this approach recommends to the active user the item that other users with the similar tastes like in the past. This is kind of wisdom of the crowd to recommend the item. As from its name, the demographic one, this type of system recommends the item based on the demographic profile of the user. Next comes a knowledge based. In knowledge based recommender systems, the recommendations for an item are based on the specific domain knowledge about how certain items feature meet users' needs and preferences, and ultimately how the item is useful for the user. The community based recommender systems are also implemented. This type of system recommends item based on the preferences of the user's friends. This technique follows the epigram, like tell me who your friends are and I will tell you who you are. As from its name, the hybrid system, this type of system are based on the combination of the above mentioned techniques. So this was a very brief overview on the recommender systems. This is very hot field nowadays. Like everyone in the commercial environment is looking for new customers, and they are trying to suggest items based on different recommender systems to their users or customers. Like I myself use in Netflix, and I find it very handy when Netflix suggests me the movies based on my previously watched movies. So I usually watch those movies recommended by the Netflix. So these are quite important and hot field nowadays. Let's get into the real hands-on work now and create a content-based recommender system for a very famous dataset of movies. For you to know that this dataset is often the first dataset for those who wants to learn recommender systems. This dataset is much larger than those we have used in this course so far. However, in the real life, recommender systems deal with much larger datasets. So let's move on. I hope you are ready to do some hands-on. See you in the next lecture. Good luck.